Lance from Lance's Auto Vlog, and I'm getting back with another video. So what we're still working on is Aston Martin, and we have to take this speaker out here. We did it on the other side already, but we gotta pull this whole thing apart, move everything out just to get that speaker, replace it. So I'm gonna do a time lapse on this one. Stay tuned. So as you can see, we pulled out the dead pedal, all the stuff here, just to pull that out. Now what we're gonna do is modify this piece here, put a 1/2-inch spacer in and fill out polyfill, and we should be in business. We'll also have to put a grill in here because the OEM speaker had a grill. Pull that out, you can see. We're gonna put a nice Millie speaker in there. It should come out pretty nice. Stay tuned for the final product. So now we have the speaker pulled in. Check it out. All I gotta do is put the dead pedal in. We had to use the grill because otherwise the speaker would be blocked. Wouldn't have anything protected if somebody stepped on it by accident. Because the original speaker had a grill. So we put that metal Millie speaker grill on it. You can see that this goes back in place like that. And then the dead pedal goes on. And we're in business. Hopefully it sounds pretty good based on what we got going on, since we have a 3-inch mid and we're going to go with a tweeter in the dash. So that's just going to be a mid bass driver. So put the dead pedal in, we're done.